boys and girls, as my friend Bryan Singleton would say, and why I'm quoting Bryan today is this is kind of a mail call. Bryan sent me out a drone on Saturday, and it arrived today. He lives in Pittsburgh, and I basically live in Philadelphia, a couple miles on the other side of the river in New Jersey here. So things come quickly, and he sent me a drone that he did an indoor and outdoor review of recently on his channel. That's True Drone Reviews. Subscribe to his YouTube channel and go to his Facebook group, TDR Drones, and join up there. Bryan's one of the best reviewers on YouTube. He always does a fair review, gives you the skinny on it. He doesn't give a product a good review because somebody sent it to him. You just watch it. You watch enough reviews, and you'll see that he earned his name, True Drone Reviews. But anyhow, moving on, he sent me the little JJRCH egg drone for review on my channel. This is a very nice little drone. It has a G sensor controller wand, and I have plenty of experience flying, manual, GPS, altitude, hold, you name it, but I've never flown a G sensor control drone. So this will be something new for me. So this is going to be a learning experience. It has foldable arms and legs, just like a DJI Mavic type drones, foldable legs. Everybody loves foldable legs, and it even has an advanced feature like altitude hold, which means that you won't have to control your throttle, up and down all the time. It'll just hover for you, and it also has an LED light, so it may be even good for night flying. So it's 2.4 gigahertz G sensor control drone. So I think he sent it to me because I made a comment that I've never flown a G sensor before, so he must have felt bad for me. So this is going to be what they call cold unboxing. I haven't opened the package yet. We're going to do it right now with my probably very dangerous box cutter here. So have your first aid kit on ready here in case we draw blood here. All right, I think we got the top open here. So let's close this up so we have no accidents. So again, this is a cold review here. So let's do this like the big time drone review. They put the good stuff to the side and start out with, we get a little manual here. The print's not too bad. I can actually read it without my magnifying glass, so that's a plus. Somebody commented on one of my recent videos about, you should read the manual first, I guess because I didn't know something what a button did in it, and I commented back, hey, when they make the print big enough to read, I'll read the manuals. And here is this is more stuff here about a game. Apparently there's an AR Master Shooter game, so we'll have to find out more about the game part of it. And here we have the little bag of goodies. We get a tiny little screwdriver. We even get a USB thing so we can, I guess that's our charger. And we even get extra props. I mean, these are the world's tiniest props. I'm not going to take all this stuff out of the bag because paid to get back in, but you get all the basics what you need. Full set of spare props, charger, and a little screwdriver. So let's move on to the exciting part. Here's our little G sensor controller. It has a little stick up here. It has 4 buttons on the front. A stop button, looks like altitude hold, gyro button, a light button, on-off switch on the side here. And Bryan, here's some buttons on the back here. I don't know what they do, but we're going to find out. And Bryan already said he left the batteries in for me, so another kudos to Bryan over True Drone Reviews. And on to the big item of the day here, the drone. Funny that the G sensor controller is bigger and heavier than the drone itself. But it's gold too. That must mean it's real good, right? Here are the folding legs, which I haven't read the instructions. I don't know how to unfold them yet. Here's like a little button here. I don't know what that does. I don't know how to unfold these legs, but we'll figure it out. Here looks like the on off button. This looks like a button, but it's just decorations. This hatch opens up here, but I don't want to. Oh, there we go. There's the battery. Looks like everybody loves batteries. Looks like it's a 300 amp, 3.7 volt, 25C one cell battery with a, I think that's a lossy connector. I'm not a connector expert whatsoever, but I just fly them. I don't know anything about batteries. I don't exactly see how to connect it in there, but oh, I see. I think I see. I'm gonna have to read the instructions. There's the battery. There's the inside hatch. Here's the on-off button, and again, looks like it's some kind of button here, but maybe this is a release for the legs. I don't know. I don't know how to get those landing legs out, but we'll figure it out. So with the instructions. So that's everything you get. Here's just a little packing material here. So we'll put that back in the box here. So I'll be back, soon with a kind of a setup video. We'll show you how to set everything up, do all our calibrations and everything like that, and then we'll get our initial test flight in. Probably, first take it in the house first for a little spin around the house. It's still winter here in New Jersey. It's still quite breezy outside. March, the month where you're supposed to fly your kites in this part of the country. So that tells you it's breezy, but we'll try to get it outdoors eventually on a calm wind day, and we'll see see how this thing performs. We'll put it through its paces and give it the ultimate flight test, and maybe do a little range test on it. We'll give it the full gambit of reviewing here. So again, I want to thank Bryan for sending this out, and thanks for watching this unboxing with me. And I will be back soon with flight tests and further reviewing. All right, see you in the next one.